Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your EDIFIER X5 Pro are charging? And we have a few options. The first one is to connect your charging case to the power. And if you see the LED light on the front side, it means that your charging case are charging. Also, we can do another way. We can go to EDIFIER Connect application and right here put your earbud to the charging case, at least one, and then connect your case to the power. So you have battery percentages right here, and you can check it after some times. If it increases, it means that your earbuds are charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.